Alright, so this is the analog race system. Again, this is the first log, just for my record and for my portfolio. So this is actually kind of based off a concept Yamaha already explored. So they combined what's known as the YZF 750 frame with the engine from the FCR 1000 into something very low effort, the YZF 1000R. Bimota took this a little further, and they added fuel injection and optimized it, but the people who took it the furthest that I care about, you have RP Racing. The site doesn't exist anymore, but they actually took it up to 200 plus horsepower. Then there was Attack Racing. They made something in '96 called the UFO, or for the UFO competition. Loved it. Hate the rear though, it's from a TZ250, so I modified that. Be a lot shorter, more modern, but point is, combination of the two should make for a pretty formidable design. I believe I can get it to 230 horsepower. I'm going to start with 140 because I'm not capable of that. Running Dymags forged EPC rotor stainless. On top of that, using an NASA patent for a CFD or simulated and optimized static back pressure header. Other than that, ram air is going to be custom because I do have radiator components from different machines in order to weld together a 2 or 4 part radiator. I haven't decided, need to kind of experiment, but I have the parts. I've restored everything already that was required. Also, here's part of the assemblage from the FCR that I actually used in the prototype build of the engine, and it was pushing enough to scare me, so I realized I needed 140 to practice, but most of the parts are assembled. That's sitting up here. I even have, I think it's a Barnett clutch basket that was very rare. I actually had to get it from someone, or bargain for someone from South America to get my hands on it. Could not find a crankshaft that was, forgetting the Falicon. So I actually have to have that machined, otherwise I can try the Thunder Race. I found someone on YouTube who claims they could get away with a lot out of theirs, but I mean, on this crankshaft, there's clearly bluing from where they correct it. It's hard to see on camera. It's just not optimum, and they're known to fail when you push these harder. I do have YZ250F pistons. I believe they're up and out of view in that box, but those are going to have release machined, and also I have the conrods from RP Racing to make that work. Other than that, just to demo what I mean about the rear. This is the modification, and if you look back at the frame, or at least what I showed, I'll walk back over. That's how the two go together. And also I have flat sides, I believe. Yeah, they're all the way in the back up there. Those are 40s. So combined with, I'm forgetting the name of the company, but it's called the TCPI4 ignition system. Kind of silly seeing I'm in computers, but they call it that. But that should give me high octane capability to help machine release for cooling the engine better, since it's known to have hot spots and pre-ignition issues. So that's practically it. Should be able to put this together in 6 months if I put my mind to it. Only reason I say longer is I want to do some fabrication for the final components instead of reusing the old.